Okay, let's be back with this one 3. For the 3, like here, what we do in the first step, right? This is the divide that it will be cover all the things. So when we write down on the on the decimal or even the other calculator, you have to use the brackets first, and after that will be divide by 2 in here and then equal to 9, right? So what is the first step that we see is the first. This is the step I will write down in here. Step A, because they has the divide 2, so we will change by okay, I will change the color to be green, will be times 2 right here. So the first step right here will be times 2 in here, times 2 in here. So what you got for the 9 times 2 will be got 18, right? And then this is the will be left in the bracket 4 minus 5x. Okay, focus on this. And then when we got the 5x, and then this one will be the step B, right? Step B, when we have like here, this is the minus 5x, and then we can change also, like we changed in here, this is will be okay, like here, okay, maybe gray color will be plus 5x. When we plus 5x, we plus 2 sides, right, left and the right. So after that we got 4 right here, and 18 is mean that plus 18. Okay, so we shuffle a little bit, or do not need to shuffle. This will be plus 5x, right? So after that, step C, you will minus, right? Because this is the plus 18, so we will do like the minus 18. Will be minus 18 in here, minus 18 in there. So what we got right here, this is the minus 14, and we got the 5x. Step D. Step D, what we have right here, this is the 5 times, right? So 5 times with x will be used like the divide by 5. So it will be divided by 5 and divided by 5. After that, you will got the answer is x equal to minus 14 over 5. This is examples like here. So we go to the next examples after 3, right? So we'll be like here, this is the 4 thing. Be back in the normal things. Like here, this is the 5, right? 5 plus 2x, right? So the 5 plus 2x will be the 2 step. So will be that the check on the step 1 step, right? So the step A, this is the plus 5 right here, so you will got the minus 5 in the reverse, right? So will be minus 5 in here, minus 5 in there, okay, on the both side. After that, what we have right now, you got the 2x, right, after this step, and then equal to 5. So step B, what we have right now, this is a times 2, right? And then the reverse will be divide by 2. After that, what we have will be divide, right? So will be divide by 2, divide by 2, 5 divide by, oh sorry, it's 5 divide by 2. Okay, so right now what we have here, this is you got x and then 5 over 2, or even the 2.5 in the answer for the 4 one. Okay, let's see the next. The next thing is will be the 5, right? 4 and 5 again, right? So this one, the step, okay, we follow the step. Okay, let's see that I try to write down the step by step, and then you can see that the one that exactly even you use the normal algebra will be get easier. Step A, you got here this the minus 2, and then the reverse is will be plus 2, right? So you will plus 2 on the both side right here. So after you got you plus 2 right here, so you got 5x, and then 13 plus 2 will be 15, right? Okay, and after that, what we go next? The go next is the B, the step B. Step B, this is the time with 5. Is the 5x or x5 is the same thing. This is the time. Okay, so it will be divided by 5. or sometimes we write down is the divide 5 here, or even the right have something in the top and then divide by x by 5 right here. So this one is divide by 5 right here. So what we have like here, this is x equal to 3. Okay, this is quite easy. So 6 on the 6, right? 3. Okay, 3x plus 8. Okay, this is will be easy. So pause video first and then write down to see the step by step. Okay, I will write down the step by step again. Okay, the step plus 1. Step A, the like a dream come true. Okay, this is the what you see, this is the plus 8, right? So we got this one in the reverse is the minus 8. Okay, will be minus. I will copy. Sometimes the people that see that this is the place right here. Okay, minus, right? Minus 8 in the step, minus 8. So 5 minus 8, this is what you got. Okay, you got minus 3. Right here, this is the 8, you got 0. So this is the 3x, right? This 3x. So step B, this is the time with 3a. So we got this one also, divide with 3. So this is the right repetition, is like here, this divide by 3. Please keep in mind, this is the hard things, because the time or divide, this is the minus, right? And then this is the plus with the divisions. So the difference will be minus. But if you got the minus, divide by minus, right? You will got plus, or even the plus, divide by plus, you will got plus. Okay, so please keep in your mind in here also. So what we have right here, this is the x and this is the minus 1 for the 6. Okay, so okay, a little bit, take a little bit. 7, it will be 7 in here. Ooh, what we have the 3 steps, right? So what we write now, okay, let's get the step for the 3 step, right? A, you got the divide 2, right? So you will time with 2. Okay, I will copy and place. Copy, place. Okay, and then we will time with 2 together. Time with 2. This one time with 2. 5 times 2. Yeah, you got 10 right here. And then this is the inside is 3x minus 8. So step B. Right, step B, what you see is the minus 8, so will be plus 8. This is quite easy, right? So this is the one, the plus 8, and then plus 8. Okay, what you write down here is the 18, and then this is the 3x, right? So step C. Okay, this is the time 3. So will be divide by 3. This one divide by 3. Divide by 3. So what you got x and then 6 as your answer. So this one is the examples for you to do in the 7 examples. So this one will be make you more understand about how the step that is will be the I check on that you will got the rewards, right? Rewards reward operations, right? When we got plus, you will got the minus reward. This is the caption, the revisions. Okay, so when you got the plus, you will got the minus. When you got the minus, okay, when you got the minus, you will change with the plus thing to be the deductions, right? And then after that, when you got the time, you got the divisions. And when you got the divisions, you will got the time also. But keep in your mind one thing, this one, when you got the real words, like here that okay, x plus also x, right, plus 3, and then the minus 3. This is the real words of a plus and minus. You will got here is like the 0. So this is will be x, right? and then even the x minus 5, and then this one is plus 5. So plus minus is also get the same thing as the 0 also. So you got x, the things, and time and divide right here. So what is the difference from here, right? When we got here, this is the x, like the 2x, right? So this is the will be divided by 2. Sometimes we write down this is the 2x divided by 2 right here. Both are the equal. Both are equal, right? So after they equal to x. But there's the one thing that you keep in mind. This is a time or divide. This is will be like the a in here. A over a right here. This is the one. This here. This is the thing. Even the x divided by 4. This is the x divided by 4, right? So this is will be time with 4. So what we have right now, this is the 4x over 4, right? We got x because the x is mean that 1x. Okay, so this is the revisions concept that we will do for the reverse operations. Thank you for the. We will check on more in the variables. Okay, let's see the quick look for this one. This is the fractions. That are some people that, oh my god, this is the fractions. Yes, this is the fractions, but exactly it will be the same thing when we look at the fractions, right? The first thing that I will review about the fractions first, like when you have the 1 over 2 and then plus 1 over 3 right here, you will do in the same, like here this is the denominator, right? So we will change, like, okay, 1 over 2 here to be the, because we got the LCM, right? 2 3 is will be 6. So this is will be time 3 with 3 in here. This one is will be 1 over 3, and then 2 and 2 right here to be like here. This is 3 6, and then plus the, okay, this is the plus for 2 and then 6, right? So will be 5 over 6. So the main thing that will be got the fractions that you have to do is do in the same denominator, the first thing. Okay, let's take a look on the 8, right? So this is the step by step again, and then we understand that we had to do in the fraction in the same denominators, right? Okay, so when we have like here, let's see this, the first step, right? So before we go, we will do this step first. The step as the denominator that we got the 3, 4 and 12, right? 12 is the 3 times 4. So this one you don't have to minimize for the 7 over 12. That is will be remain in there. So will be just only x over 3 and then x over 4. So what we change in here, right? So we'll change like here the first thing, or even we can time right here. So you will got this the highest factor 3, 4, right, and 12. So what we got the highest factor, this is the 12, right? HRM, right? The highest factor is the 12. So what we have right now in here, this is the 3 is equal to 3 times 1, right? 2 times 2 exactly, and then 12 you got 2 times 2 and then times 3 right here. So what we have like here, this is the same thing. So the same thing in here, so we write out the same, and another things right here, this is the 2 2, right? So it's the 2 2. So what we got here, this is like the 12. We time the step first. Keep in mind this step first that after we find the HRM as the 12, step first we will time 12 first, because we don't want do the things in the right the ratio, okay, or the fractions. That is not fun at all. So we will time with 12 instead. Okay, So to remove all the fractions out, right? So the 12 that is will be time. Okay, I will copy and paste. Copy, paste, and then we will time with 12, one by one. Please note this one, because the people when we do like this, will be always forgot the time, all the things. So will be time 12 in here, time 12 in here, time 12 in here, right? So this one, when you got like here, the 12 divided by 3, you will got 4. So right here we got 4x, right? And then plus with this is the 12 divided by 4. So what you got, 12 divided by 4, you will got 3. So it will be 3x. Okay, so after that 12 divided with 12, you will got 1. Right, so this is 1 times 7, you got 7 right here. After that, this one will be add on, that will be I will teach you in the next class that about the combining coefficients, like here that we have here, and we got the coefficients, right? So this is the coefficients that we plus together. Okay, so this one will be plus together that what we have right here. This is the, you got like the 7x, right? So it will be 7. Step 2, right? Step A time with 12. Step 2, step B, that is combined term, right? And then step C is because this is the time with 12, so will be divided with 7, sorry, not 12, 7. So right here, this is the x, and then equal to 1. Okay, so this is the 8. And then when we see in the 9, we will do in the same as the 9 also. And what we have to find this one, the step first, right? Step first. Step A, LCM. 5. This is the 5 equal to 5 times 1, right? Okay, 10 equal to 5 times 2. 20 equal to 5 times with 2 times with 2. Okay, so what we have right here is the 5 first. So it's the 5. And then the next thing is will be the 2. Okay, 2. And then the first will be wrapped out in here too. So the 20. Okay, so the first step, what we have right here, okay, will be add on to write down. After we understand that this one, copy for the 9, and then place. So step 1, after we got this, right? Step 2, okay, is step 1. Step 2, let's do like this. Okay, we will time with 20. In here 20, in here 20. Okay, what we have here, this is this one will be 4. So 3 times with 4 again, and then time with the x will be 12x right here. And then this one, 20 divided with 10, so you will got 2x. And then here, okay, 20 and 20, and then you will got 7. So this is will be the next thing, is will be the combined term. When we like here, this is the combined term, will be 12 plus 2 will be 14. This is the combined term. So 2a is the time with 20, b is combined term. Okay, so c, this is the 14, right? And then 7, right? So time with 14, and then in the reverse we will divide with the 14. So divide with the 14 in here. You will got x right here, yeah, equal to 7 over 14, or equal to 1 over 2, or 0.5 in here. So this one is after you know about how you combine the term, right? So we'll make this is the more practice cables about this thing. So the next step will be like the coefficients, variables, the operations, the plus minus time and dy. I will bring you in the next lectures. Thank you for your listening until the 9, and see you in the next one.